Hello, in front of me I have INTEX Aqua Shine, and I'm gonna show you how to insert a SIM card and SD card into this device. First, we need to open the back cover, and to do it, just pick up our phone, go to back, and find this latch right here in the cover. We can use it to pry it open. Like that. And now we can slowly go all around the phone to unclip the clips. And after some struggle, the cover is out. Now we can put our phone right here. And as you can see, here we have SIM card slots and SD card slot right here. And to insert them, we need to take off the battery first. To do it, we just need to pull it out by using this opening right here, like that. It comes off. And now we can take our SIM card, and you need to use this adapter, because if you have a micro SIM, you need to put it in this to make it a bit bigger size, like that. And now you can slide it. This is quite tricky because it's not holding too well. And after some struggle, the SIM card is in, like that. And SD card, you just take the SD card and slide it in like this. Now we can put the battery in, like this. Turn the phone around, turn it on, and as you can see, our SD card is working, and SIM card too, because it's asking for the PIN code. Let's enter it. Unlock our phone. And here we have SD card and SIM card. And that's how you insert SD card and SIM card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.